Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really nice 2012 Harley Davidson Sportster XL 1200C. It's the Sportster Custom. This is the fat tire Sportster with the nice looking 5-spoke Harley Davidson mag rims. Put a new tire on it up front for you. It's had a quick detached windshield added. All the buttons and switches look good. The bike's got 14,215 miles on it. Runs great. Pops right off. It's got the factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. Got a passenger backrest on it. No engine noise or smoke or any of that business. It's got some very small, almost like cat scratches in it around. I see a couple here on the tank. And then down here on the fender I saw one. And back here where the seat looks like maybe something rubbed right back in here and put a little chip and scratch in it right there. It's been through our shop and checked out, serviced, inspected. It's ready to ride. It's in good shape. Got a lot of good finance options and extended warranty options. We actually put 2 new tires on it. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. I can tell you all about it, or you can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Got some excellent financing that can put just almost anybody on a Harley Davidson. Available 1-year, 2-year, and 3-year warranties. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this beautiful Sportster delivered right into your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.